What's going on, everybody? I'm gonna show y'all how I got all this for my trip in Denver, Colorado. I got everything that I want the whole trip into this duffel bag and this backpack. I used some interesting strategies. I had ChatGPT kind of help me out. A little bit of brainstorming, so I'm gonna kind of just show y'all some cool ways and kind of talk about my trip, what I got coming up and everything. So starting off, nothing basic. Some underwear. ChatGPT said you should roll it to save time, and it doesn't wrinkle when you roll, but it saves a lot more space than folding it. So yeah, the rolling trick was really well. This is kind of like a pair of thermals I want to go as like an underlayer, because as you know, it's real cold up here. So yeah, I want to be prepared for that. Got a t-shirt, some more pants. I'm ready. Like I said, all this stuff is rolled. And it really conveniently puts in because you can fit stuff in like the little crevices of the bag and everything. This is kind of be like the shirt that I really wear under like every hoodie, every coat. It's like a little zip up thermal thing. It's gonna keep me warm. I'm confident in. So yeah, I'm excited about this. We got to talk about this. But yeah, another thing ChatGPT was saying was to like put small stuff in your shoes. So like I got this sock out my shoe. It's nothing else in that one. Should be some stuff like this. More underwear. Sock. Rolled up some shorts. You know, we actually have a hot tub. I just got out. I did take some shorts out. It was another pair of shorts I had rolled out. I was in the hot tub. Man, when I tell y'all, that was amazing because hot tubs keep me warm. But you also get this mountain overlook. Man, the Airbnb I got is phenomenal. I'm going to have to show y'all that. But you got this overlook of the mountain in the hot tub that's very warm. But it's cold outside. It's a cool little breeze. Top 10 experience. I recommend y'all go travel somewhere, man. Especially somewhere like this. Somewhere scenic adventure. More underwear, t-shirt. A long sleeve t-shirt. And I could go to Pacific and show y'all. But I ain't really trying to show y'all what the t-shirts is. I might show y'all this one. You feel me? I do enjoy this one. Yep, man, all that stuff was rolled up for into crevices. Of course, you gotta have the beanies, you know. I gotta be a little more versatile with my beanie game this trip. Y'all know this is the good beanie. Had to bring the word with me. This is a must. We do plan to get into this on the mountains. That's going to be exciting. It's going to be definitely a great experience that I am looking forward to. But that is pretty much it for this. What was this? Well, I did actually end up bringing the Apple TV just in case something was wrong with the TV here. Just to have it as flexibility. Y'all are probably thinking, where's all the big stuff? Like you showed me little shirts and stuff. What's gonna keep you warm? So I actually put all my big stuff in a trash bag and vacuum sealed the trash bag together, and it made it all squished. So hopefully it's not too wrinkly. I do plan to iron it. I'll throw it in the dryer and everything. But it did conserve a lot of space. As this thing is huge, this thing is massive, but it fit in there essentially with no problem. So that is a trick. I watched a little DIY YouTube video on it when I got the idea. This is the coat that's gonna keep me warm, my North Face. Yeah, this should keep me warm. I'll probably wear this a lot. I really love this. I love the essentials. They're so thick that I'm expecting this to keep me warm. And all this stuff, this is super thick stuff that I was able to like really have condensed like this and allow a lot of space. Like this is all my duffel bag. I haven't even got to the backpack yet. I'm really proud of myself. It's another little top that I'll wear. It's a cool wool, keep me warm. And then some sweatpants. I got some sweatpants in there. And then I also came with this Georgia Tech. Y'all seen this before. And I got this little North Face thermal layer. I don't really got to show y'all too much. But this is going to be another thing that I'm always wearing under something. But yeah, these are shoes, or one of the shoes we rocking with it. The other ones are in here. I'm telling y'all, man, I'm really putting y'all on game as far as maximizing space. Whole different trip, and I'm confident. Socks and shoes. Socks and shoes. underwear. Underwear. All in my shoes, man. This is the most convenient method. Other pair of shoes you rocking with, the Dunks. This is my AirPods. My AirPods are actually in the living room, but I was able to bring my AirPods cases here. I got this other Carhartt beanie I'm gonna have to throw in this trip. I was able to bring my toiletry bag. The toiletry bag is really where I kept a few essential toiletries, but it's also where I brought my camera, like the camera that I'm recording this on was in there. This battery pack, things like that, chargers and stuff. I'm really maximizing. I'm putting y'all on game for real. I'm putting y'all on game. And then, of course, iPad, just so I can do some little YouTube work this trip. Make sure I get video day. Telling y'all video day if you don't believe me. Subscribe so I can prove you wrong. Because I'm going to video day. This is the book we was reading on the plane. Dale Carnegie's How to Win Friends and Influence People. There we go, sure. Oh, we still 6:16. It's gonna be a cool, short little video then. Had to rig soap. I'm a big bar soap guy. Especially for traveling, because you don't have to worry about the little. I didn't check the bag. Like, y'all gotta think this went straight through security, no check bag. None of that was necessary. You got this. I do probably plan on. I already showed y'all what I got on. So, I do have these shoes as well that I'm probably gonna be wearing. These Uggs. They're real convenient. And then I bought some $20 snow boots from Walmart. Just quick. I need to go buy me some gloves, maybe a gator, probably even like a ski mask. We do plan to go skiing in the morning. Stay tuned. Subscribe for that. Comment. And man, throw this video. Like, if you found this helpful, throw it a like up. But really, just throw the like up to support my channel, as I do want to make something out of this. And if you enjoyed this video, show me your appreciation, please. And with that, as always, y'all be good. Stay blessed. Peace.